Welcome back to the continuation of compound interest part 3. Today in this video we are going to do two sums. In the first sum we are going to find the rate per interest per annum and in our next sum we are going to find the amount and compound interest where the rate of interest varies. Is a person invests rupees 10,000 for 2 years at a certain rate of interest compounded annually. At the end of 1 year, this amounts to rupees 11,200. Calculate Roman number 1, the rate of interest per annum, and number 2, the amount at the end of second year. So, let's get started. Let's note down whatever is given in the question. So, the P is given. Time is given, and the amount is given. So we have to find the rate. So first what we'll do is we'll find the simple interest. So the amount is already given, that is rupees 11,200, and the principal is given, that is rupees 10,000. So my interest becomes rupees 1,200. Okay. So now with the help of this we can find the rate. Therefore we know the formula of rate, that is SI into 100 divided by P into T. Okay, so my SI is rupees 1,200 into 100. My principal is rupees 10,000. So the time will be 1 year. Why we are using 1 year? Because the question is stating that at the end of 1 year, this rupees 10,000 is becoming rupees 11,200. So 0 0 gets cancelled, 0 0 gets cancelled. So my rate is 12%. Now the second part of the question which we are going to do is the amount at the end of second year. Using this rate we have to find the amount for the second year. We know the formula P into R into T by 100. One thing to note is that the principal for second year will be the amount of the first year, that is rupees 11,200. So 11,200 into 12 into time will be 1 year. 0 0 gets cancelled. So my answer is 1,344 rupees. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have to find the amount. Okay. We know the formula of amount. Amount equals to P plus SI. My P for second year was 11,200 plus the SI which we calculated in this part. So this becomes 12,544. So this is my answer. Now let's head for the second question. P is given rupees 5,000 T is given 2 years, that is 1 plus 1 year, and rate is given 6% and 8%. So in this question what we are going to do is we are going to apply 6% for the first year and 8% for the second year. Okay. So SI for first year equals to P into R into T by 100. My P is 5000. The rate for first year will be 6%. 6 into 1 by 100. So this gives me rupees 300. Okay. So now similarly what we are going to do is first we will find the amount, that is P plus SI. My P is rupees 5000 plus the SI is 300. So the amount at the end of first year will be rupees 5300. Now this amount of the first year at the end of first year becomes the principal of the second year. Therefore P for second year is equal to rupees 5300. Okay. Now similarly we are going to find the SI for second year. SI for second year equals to P into R into T by 100. My P is rupees 5300. My rate will be 8% for the second year into 1 divided by 100. 0, 0 gets cancelled. Rupees 424. This becomes my SI for the second year. The question is asking us to find the CI and amount. So therefore CI equals to, we can add the simple interest of both the year and get the answer, that is SI of the first year plus the SI of the second year. So this gives me SI for the first year was rupees 300 plus the SI for the second year was rupees 424. So this gives me rupees 724. This is the CI. Now we have to find the amount. Amount equals to P plus SI. My P is rupees 5300 plus the SI which we derived for the second year was 424. This is the amount at the end of second year. Okay. So this becomes 5724. So this is my answer, amount, and this is the compound interest. So this much for today in this video.